Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with US market. Now, after a very good session in US market in past 1 to 2 days, look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones closed flat, closed at 52 points positive, but on the other hand, Nasdaq and S&P 500, we saw some minor profit booking. So, Nasdaq closed at 140 points negative, and S&P it closed at 23 points negative. Now, at the time of recording, the US 30 is showing a flat opening. Today, the US job report data will be out. And another very important thing that Israel Prime Minister Netanyahu will be meeting the President of the United States. So we have to watch those meetings and we have to see what the discussions will be and what will be the outcome. Now, let's talk about FII and DIA data. Now, in previous session, FII, they sold close to they were the buyers. Funny, they are the buyers. They bought close to 69 crores and DIA, they bought close to 1,174 crores. But look at index futures buying. They bought close to 2,094 crores. And in index options, they sold close to 20,989 crores. In index futures, they have bought and index options, they have sold. So this is the data from previous session. Now Asian markets are mostly mixed, but Nikkei is up by 1,000 points and Hang Seng is up by 155 points. So other than this, Asian markets are mostly flat, but these two are doing fairly good. Now gold is positive above 5,000. Silver is at $81. Crude oil is trading higher levels. So these commodity market we have to watch very closely. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty. But before that, today the SGX Nifty is showing a gap up opening of 70 to 80 points. Now SGX Nifty is also known as Gift Nifty. Do you know this? So SGX Nifty is also known as Gift Nifty. That's why it comes always with surprises. So you never know where the Nifty will open. This is not the way to to predict where the market will be. So this is just a exchange which gets traded in Singapore. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now the closing was very flat. Now typical yesterday we had a weekly contract expiry of Nifty, but still look at Nifty. It closed very flat. So it closed around 25,985. At one point the futures were trading about 26,000, but later it got sold into and closed at 25,985. Now the support is 25,800 and the resistance is 26,000. Now Bank Nifty closing was around 60,704. The support is 60,500 and the resistance is 61,000. Now if you look at India VIX, right, on the intraday the India VIX fell by close to 4.31% at 11.31%. So this shows that volatility is getting reduced and the fear in the market is getting reduced. So India VIX fell, which was okay, fine for the next leg of uproom. Let's talk about some results which came from Nifty 50 stocks. Look at Titan. Yesterday, if you remember, I told you that I'm expecting good results from Titan. Look at their revenue is up by 43.30% and net profit is up by 60.80%. Yes, they had a dent in their profit is because of the new labor code, but still their net profit is impressive. Their segments were doing good. Look at their numbers was very, very good. So very good numbers from Titan. Expecting stocks to do very, very good. Now Grasim revenue is up by 27.40% and net profit is up by 15.30%. Okay results. Apollo Hospital revenue is up by 17.20% and net profit is up by 34.90%. Good results from Apollo Hospitals. Now, Eicher Motors revenue is up by 22.90% and the net profit is up by 21.40%. Good results. So tomorrow the M&M, so auto company should be on your radar. M&M is coming out with results. So watch M&M very, very closely. On the next day, you have Hindustan Unilever, ONGC. All these companies are coming out with results. So yes, this is the pre-market news. I hope you would have learned a lot. Trade with stop loss. Remember, we are long in the market. We are very, very bullish in this market. Every dip is a buying opportunity in the market with a stop loss of closing in 25,450. Go long in this market. So thank you for watching, obviously with the risk management. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.